My regard to all the system operation engineers. My name is Stephen Ngbo Easy Maitakama, retired ROC Bauchi region. I'm here again to interact with all of us on a YouTube channel. And I have the following questions to ask so that we will be answering together, interacting together, improving ourselves together. My WhatsApp number is 09022485961. I repeat, 09022485961. So we can equally interact on personal ground through my WhatsApp accounts. So I have the following questions to ask. You can interact with me personally, or we can interact as a group. In a short time, I will also be coming out with a OBS interaction too, in a short time. So I have the following questions. What is the similarity between a stabilizer and a transformer tap changer? Similarities between a stabilizer, electrical stabilizer, and a transformer tap changer. Number 2, what are the similarities between a reactor and electrical welding machine? What are the similarities between a reactor and electrical welding machine? Number 3, what is the importance of AVSS, that is automatic voltage saleston switch, in respect to transformer energy meters when transferring load from feeders feeding from one transformer to the other? I repeat the question. What is the importance of AVSS, that is automatic voltage saleston switch, in respect to transformer energy meters when transferring load from feeders feeding from one transformer to the other? Number 4, what is a step-down transformer? Number 5, and what is a step-up transformer? 6, where are these transformers commonly found? The step-down transformer and the step-up transformer, where are they commonly found? Number 7, in respect to construction, design, and connections, list 5 differences between step-down transformer and step-up transformer. In respect to construction, design, and connection, list 5 differences between step-down transformer and step-up transformers. Number 8, what is single line double circuit? What is single line double circuit? And what is double line and single circuit? I repeat, what is single line double circuit and what is double line single circuit? Number 9, what is the reason for using hollow pipe conductors before a transformer and immediately after a transformer, if you have in your station? It's not all the transformers that are connected that way. So what is the function, or what is the importance of using, or reason for using hollow pipes conductors in your station? What is hotspot? What is hotspot? And what are the causes of hotspot? And what are the effects of hotspot in your station? Number 11, If your station is operating on a double circuit coupled with a bus breaker, bus coupler breaker and isolators, and if you are experiencing very high voltage even after peaking full load, and also switching in your reactors, and also tap changing your transformers to the minimum taps so as to control the voltage. But if the high voltage still persists, what is the other alternative? What is the next alternative? I repeat, if your station is operating on a double circuit coupled with a bus coupler breaker with isolators, and you are experiencing a very high voltage, then after peaking full load and also switching in your reactors and also tap changing your transformers to the minimum tap, still you are experiencing the high voltage. What is the next alternative? Number 12. If generating stations call you, or you are aware, or they notify you that they are having very, very high VAR, what will you do as an operator to assist the generating station in reducing the high VAR as an operator? What advice will you give? What action will you take so as to help them reduce the high VAR at the experience at the generating station? Number 13. If you have a capacitor bank installed in your station, or you have variable compensator installed in your station, how will you use this equipment for power factor correction? Number 15. If you have 33 kV feeders and you open one on the process of load shedding or the trips on fault, and you discover that the power factor on that energy meter of that feeder has moved to 1, that is at unity, then after restoring their feeder from fault or from load shedding back, you discover that the power factor comes down, varies between 0.8 and 0.95. Explain why. If a feeder trip, I repeat, if a feeder trips or you open it on system load shedding, the power factor on that energy meter of that feeder automatically moves to 1. That's unity. But by the time you restore that feeder from fault or from load shedding, you discover that the power factor begin to vary between 0.8 and 0.95. Explain why. Number 15. List 2 functions of automatic voltage selective switch in your station, if you have, and I believe most of the stations have. List 2 functions of automatic voltage selector switch in your station. Now, if your 50-volt battery bank is used for communication, and it is also used for remote control contactors to supply remote control contactors, and the battery charger fails to function, what problems do you expect in your station, and what action will you take to maintain service while making your report? Number 18. If a feeder breaker protective relay operates and the feeder fails to trip, instead it trips the secondary of your transformer, what will you suspect? What will you suspect? And what action will you take? And how will your OF19 be? How will your OF19 looks like? That is trouble report, OF19. How are you going to write it? Or how would it look like? Number 19. In an OF17 form, that is order to operate OF17. Who is in charge of preparing OF17? That's OTO, order to operate. Who is responsible for checking the OTO? And who is responsible for ordering the OTO? And who is responsible for completing the OTO? Number 20. What is the protection guarantee? What is a protection guarantee? What is guarantee item? And what is guarantee conditions? List 5 errors that can render a protection guarantee certificate defective. 5 factors or 5 errors that can render a prepared protection guarantee certificate defective. What is OF11? What is OF11? And under what condition do you issue OF11? I now move to current affairs. Who is the deputy governor of your state? The deputy governor of your state. Who is the Senate Committee chairman on power? And who is also the Senate Committee chairman on finance? Number 3. Recently, Ngbo went on warning strike. List all their demands and what is their present stand with the government after the warning strike. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe you'll make attempts. I've already mentioned my WhatsApp number as 09022 485 961, and my YouTube channel name is Ngbo Steven. Thank you very much.